Here, we're looking at a 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle, one of the most iconic names in classic American muscle car history. The '66 model year is especially loved for its clean body lines, aggressive stance, and endless performance potential, making it a favorite among restorers and builders. This Chevelle comes with a V8 engine that spins freely, paired with a 4-speed manual setup, giving it that true old-school muscle car DNA. While the transmission is currently not installed, this setup opens the door for a period-correct restoration or even a modern performance upgrade, depending on the direction the next owner wants to take. The car shows 123,456 miles, and it comes with a clean title, which is a big plus for a project at this stage. Finished in a red exterior with a matching red interior, it has that classic muscle-era look that never goes out of style and always turns heads when done right. This Chevelle is clearly being sold as a restoration project, not a turnkey driver. It will need time, parts, and vision, but that's exactly what makes it appealing. It's the kind of car that rewards effort, whether you're aiming for a factory-style restoration or a street-built muscle machine with attitude. This Chevelle isn't about perfection, it's about potential. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more hidden classics like this one.